Hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today's video regarding Doogee V40 rugged phone.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space.
Doogee manufactures rugged phones for everyday use or for those who work in more demanding environments. Users of these rugged phones can rest assured that even if they drop their phone, it will not break. Despite the fact that the design of the Doogee V40 is similar to that of modern smartphones, there are some noticeable differences. This smartphone, like most these days, is rectangular with beveled corners. The Doogee V40's buttons are essentially identical to those on other phones. The standard power and volume up or down buttons are found on the right edge. In addition, the device supports facial recognition and fingerprint unlocking. The new product appears to be a good market fit. Naturally, the width of the display frames and overall dimensions of the monoblock make it clear that the device meets IP68 standards for strength and moisture protection. However, the exterior is made to appear relevant and appealing by a stunning block of cameras, a distinct and memorable case texture, a side fingerprint scanner, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. At the top of the screen. The 6.78-inch IPS display is unlikely to be praised for its brightness, even though 700 nits allow for some image visibility in direct sunlight. The Full HD Plus resolution ensures crystal clear content, and the image's smoothness, at a refresh rate of 120 Hz, is impressive. People who are used to AMOLED panels may find the color rendition a little boring. The technical specifications include a Mali G615MC2 graphics core, 12 GB of RAM, and a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU with support for 5G networks. Although the bundle is novel and unusual, its exceptional energy efficiency and 650,000 points on the AnTuTu test elicit only positive emotions. Even with medium-high graphics settings, resource-intensive gaming projects like Genshin Impact run smoothly thanks to the Android 14 OS interface's required responsiveness. The device has an extremely long battery life thanks to its massive 8,680 mAh battery. In addition to a quick, but not particularly noteworthy, 33W charger, you must check for outlets every 3 days. There is a separate slot for MicroSD cards in addition to the 512 GB of permanent memory. An 80-megapixel portrait module, a 20-megapixel monochrome night vision sensor, an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, and the 108-megapixel primary camera all contribute to the photo function. Even though the camera setup is simpler than the Pro model, it can handle the vast majority of phablet shooting scenarios. Neither stereo sound nor a wired headphone jack are available. This situation is unlikely to please music fans. However, contactless payments via NFC make shopping at hypermarkets easier. What we are looking at is a device that, while not technically perfect, outperforms many of its competitors at a similar price. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.